Proceeds to die every single time. Epic sniper battles of history! Kar 98 versus hunting rifle. Look at this epic reload. That final, like, ooh. I'm an RC, by the way. Whoa! No! There he was! No! 3-year-old versus giant pit bull named Princess! Ba-bum. By the way, I'm not gonna be in the video. I'm not gonna be able to hear any of your mic audio. So if you want to talk, you'll have to go into app chat to talk to me for gaming. This man's gay. No, don't unsubscribe. Don't dislike. I'm so glad they can't hear you. I'm like Gorp. You just shoot one bullet or like eject one bullet, throw in a bullet, flick it forward, and it's pretty satisfying if you execute it right. I see you. No! You scoped! Why should I turn around? Oh! I'm gonna camp. No! I shot, but then it was like, oh, by the way, you didn't shoot. Ethan. Ethan. You using my own gun? That's my gun! Hey! I was using the op originally, yes. Ow! It's a headshot trade. That very end piece where I just flick it. It's like I'm hitting the gun itself. Very satisfying, very satisfying. Quite unfortunate that we can't hear SD or Sergeant or Ethan or whatever you call him, but on the same time, he said some pretty mean things, like... Epic, that is true. I will get 3 views. Me, my mom, and you. Yes, sir, you already know. He humiliates me in front of 2 people. Oh, by the way, fun fact, I spawned behind you. I did, though. I spawned in behind you. Go stab you. Now you are the bearer of top floor. Why did I stab you? Because you got stabbed. Why did I bring a knife to a sniper fight? Because I said so. No, I'm not. One more kill and I'll be gaming. One more pick and I'll be gone. Thought that blood spatter was an enemy. Where are you? You searching? I should search around and go back where I was. I'm trusting. Ooh, split his. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna get you. Bang, 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 bang. No, no. 69. No, I will not KYS and ratio you. Bang, 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 bang. He's got a gun. Bang, 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 bang. What the frick? Yeah, that's right. I was behind you. I stabbed you through the wall. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Bang. You're gonna hate me? Hit me? What? At least I hit you. Yay, I win. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang. Bang.